D. Mota, Troop Commander, Meryl Grace Betsaida, S1, Alexa Fiona C. Mercado, S2, Portia Elisa Sandrino, S3, Samantha M. Magana, S4, Sheena May Obukad, Majorette Leader, DLC Leader, Vincent G. Tutilan. Mate Company Commander, Daniel James and De La Torre, Mate Company XO, Carl James Masuda, First Platoon Leader, Mate Boys, Joros S. Cristobal, Second Platoon Leader, Mate Girls, Leoke Regaspi, School Mate Facilitator, Ensign Larry J. Gerudin, Major Trainer, Janil Sabolarse, DS Trainer, Seriaco Sandrino Jr. School Principal, Mr. Conrado